In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an event private in Google Calendar. Whether it's a personal meeting or a sensitive appointment, sometimes you just need to keep those details under wraps. If you're using Google Calendar on your desktop through a web browser, follow along with me to learn how to do this easily. First, make your way to Google Calendar by opening up your preferred web browser. This is typically a quick task, as most of us have Google Calendar bookmarked or can access it directly through the Google Apps menu if you're already signed into your account. Once you've loaded up Google Calendar, look for the Create button, often represented by a plus sign, to start crafting a new event. If you already have an event in mind that you'd like to privatize, locate it on your calendar and click to open up the event details. Events in Google Calendar are interactive, so just a quick click will get you where you need to be. Now that you're in the event details window, there's a section you'll want to locate, either labeled default visibility or simply privacy. This can be found amidst all the other options where you're setting the specifics for your event, like the time, date, and notifications. Once you've spotted the default visibility or privacy setting, click on the drop-down menu. Here, you'll find a few different options that dictate who can see what about your event. To ensure that the event remains private, you'll want to select the private option. What this does is restrict the visibility of your event's details to only those you've expressly invited. So, if you've invited specific people to the event, friends, family, or colleagues, they'll be able to see everything. However, anyone else who might have access to your calendar will simply see that you're scheduled as busy. This subtle privacy shield can be particularly useful in professional settings where your availability might be visible to colleagues, but you prefer not to share full details about your personal commitments. Finally, all that's left is to ensure your selection is saved. Look for the Save button, usually prominently displayed towards the top or bottom of the event window, and give it a click. This will lock in your changes and make sure that from now on, the event is cloaked from prying eyes. And there you have it. You've successfully made your event private in Google Calendar on desktop. It's a straightforward process, but one that's crucial for protecting your personal and private information. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore additional Google Calendar settings for even more control over your schedule.